We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was exactly within this move, we mentioned we're looking for the down. We want the price to drop some more. Even we mentioned any sell, we can look for short term because we mentioned we want to see the reversal. But as we can, the price couldn't break the previous low and we couldn't look for indicators. And as what we were expected, the price reverse, but the mostly to look for trade we could trade based on 15 minutes. And if you refer to 15 minutes, this is the only way place we could look for buy. And most of the chart we had a similar movement. Anyway, after that we see the ways moving is really corrective and we can see the divergence. All right, whoever get the trade from here, they have to start to manage. If they want to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even, because if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal as a short move, but the way is reversing is very corrective. Okay, we want to see how what's the next and how we can look for trade. In this case, we move to daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, right now we're looking at this as a correction. That's mean if we get any reversal for buy, this is what we're looking for. But we want to see whether we can get the trade set up based on lower time frame. And if you move to forward chart, since the price haven't break the previous low, maybe we can put this one as a flat. That's why if we get any trade set up for buy, we need to be really careful. Still, we're looking for buy. That means if we get any trade set up for buy, we'll take it. But as I mentioned, we're looking for the continuation as a sharp move. If it turns to a corrective move, we need to be aware about the flat or just now I mentioned. And based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And even if you move to 1 hour chart right now, we cannot look for buy. To look for buy, we have to get the correction trade setup for buy before we take the trade. Because if there is a continuation as what we have, similar to what we have as a corrective, mostly the price can drop because we can look at this one as a flat. All right. The only question is if we want us to look at this one as a flat, the only question is this one because this one doesn't make sense for us. If we didn't have this, mostly we could put this one in relative to this as a flat. All right. Anyway, still we look for buy. If we get any trade setup, we want to see the continuation at the sharp move and with the breakout of this top. The only times you cannot look for buy if we see any sharp move like this is where we can confirm the price can give us one more drop, since this one haven't break the previous low. Whether to look for sell or not, if we get, we can discuss. But if we get any move similar to what I draw here, this is where can confirm that we are not going to look for buy. Anyway, still, if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take the trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.